All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Lexus lost key replacement and key programming. So basically, this is the deal. Customer sent the ECU, customer sent the immobilizer, and customer sent this wallet key. Now, these wallet keys won't work on my computerized machine, so I'm going to have to cut this manually. No biggie. But basically, plan of action, I'm going to take a blank key, cut the key. I can't try it in a lock because I don't have a lock in this situation, so more likely it'll work. I'll duplicate it, and then I'll take the chip, program it into the immobilizer box, and then the vehicle will start right up. That's basically the gist. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're done. This puppy's done. See, ECU's get ready to go back. Immobilizer, here's the key. There's a chip in it. I programmed it into the immobilizer box, so there's no locks here for me to try. So can't show you the key working nice and smooth, but the key is programmed. This will be plug and play at this point. Now, those of you that ask me about why people can't do this, this is an older system. And there's a lot of new locksmiths right now running around. I've been doing this since 1990. So I've been doing keys for cars before the chips even existed. So I've been fortunate to watch all this come into play. A lot of the new locksmiths, this is all they dealing with is the chips. And, you know, when you throw an old system like this, they've never dealt with it. They've never seen it. They don't have equipment to fool with it. I still have a lot of my equipment from the early 2000s when I was doing a lot of this stuff. A lot of this stuff came in play. BMW, I think, came into play about 1995. So that's when I started, not 95, I think I started playing around with the chips around 98. Because it took a few years. I was like, wow, what's this thing going on? You know, what's this blinking light in the car? And why the engine's not started? So, you know, I had my little share of trial and error and figuring out all this stuff. But like I said, I've been doing this for a minute. But if you need my help, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Keep in mind, my jam is, what I deal with is keys and programming. You having electrical issues, the car not starting, you driving the car down the road and it's shutting off on you. That's not me. That's going to be a local mechanic or the dealer. So I deal with the keys. So if you got a key and the key's turning, security light not flashing, yeah, that'll be me. And that's about it. I appreciate y'all for watching. You like my videos, like and share, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.